Hey, fellows, it is Friday and it is time to do the recap. Let's dive right in. I'm a little bit late. I usually try to do these recaps as soon as I'm done streaming, and today I just did not have time and it didn't work out. But I made it back to my desk in time to do it before the market closes. So, as you can see, we had a red day. Wah wah. Um, Unfortunately, I was hoping we could have a all green day week, but wasn't meant to be. This will we still end the week green by about I think about $2,500 in total. But yeah, let's look at the trade. I actually feel like I learned something on this trade, and I definitely need to put this in the memory bank. Put this in the memory bank and notes taken. So this market was pretty crazy this morning. First of all, we had news this morning at 8:30, and the market made about a 200-point move higher. And then at the open, we basically retraced that whole move and then some. Basically, when we made the double bottom down here, we failed to make new lows, and then we pushed above this high. I kind of convinced myself that it's okay to take a long at that point. But one thing I've noticed on these pullbacks and trends, when we have these big moves and we're still trading kind of within the big move itself, it's best to sit on the sidelines. As you can see, I took the trade right here on this pullback. I entered right here, and it just rolled back. It just rolled over, made new lows, stopped me out, and it is what it is. I could have had another entry right here, maybe. We obviously, at that point, I was just not really in the mood. Didn't want to give back my whole week's of worth of profit. So yeah, I didn't really wasn't motivated to take more trades than that. So called it a day early, and it is what it is. But definitely, I had a similar trade like this last week where we had a big sell off and then we started to reverse. And then on the first reversal, or the first kind of pullback that we had, I entered and then we just rolled over and stopped me out as well. That was last week, I believe. And very similar trade, and kind of a note to make. I would much rather sit on the sidelines here, especially on the first pullback, and then just wait till we have a little more, I guess, structure that we're going higher. Obviously, there would have been some nice opportunities the rest of the day, but I'm okay. Totally okay with it. Had an okay week after all, and we did make some progress, so it's okay. But I was hoping I could have a nice green day today and we'd have a nice green week. But that's not always how it goes. That's okay. We walked away red and we accepted the red day. And honestly, in trading, accepting red days is probably the most important part of being able to have payouts, because if you can't accept red days, you're going to blow up a lot, because it's just how it is. If you try to, it's hard to accept red days. You keep trading and trading, and next thing you know, your accounts are gone. And I say that from experience. So I'm happy to walk away for the day, and we will be back on Monday. Hope everyone has a great weekend. I appreciate all your support. Take care, and God bless.